guys, it is Ray here with you today. Today I'm creating this vibrant yellow juicy look. Yay! It is spring, can you believe it? And I can't wait all those beautiful vibrant looks we will create this spring. So stay tuned with my videos, and for today let's rock this look. So let's put our Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I will start with my Sonia Kashuk Universal Eyeshadow Brush and Too Faced palette, the Natural Matte. The shade I will use for my base is Heaven. Now in the same palette I will pick shade Honey Butter and my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Crease Brush. I will apply for the transition shade. To the inner part of the eye with the same brush, the same palette, but shade Heaven, the one we just used before, I'm adding some lightness and I'm softening up the color. In the same palette, I'm grabbing Chocolate Cookie. The shade is as delicious as the name. And with my Sonia Kashuk crease brush, I'm applying it to the outer corner of my eye, on lower here. Spring screams to me to add some more colors and make something bright and nice and juicy. So I'm getting the orange from my NYX Ultimates, the Bright Shadow palette, and my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blending Crease Brush. I will add more intensity to the outer corners of my eyes with Sexpresso, the Too Faced palette. For that, I'm gonna use my beloved Morphe 507 brush. And to be honest, you guys, that is my favorite brush lately. I can make almost the entire eye look with this one. Even if it's gonna be a big blending game, I will use this one more likely than any other one. It is so precise and gives so many details and still can be blended well. Oof. And I'm gonna put it to outer corner of my waterline as well. So to make a base for a pop of bright color, I'm getting concealer and MAC 195 brush and applying it from the inner corner all the way up. So and for a bright shade, I will go for my NYX Ultimate palette, and I'm gonna pack it with my Sonia Kashuk Universal Crease Brush. Trust me, this packs a ton. So I will go back to my IT Cosmetics Brush 105 and Too Faced Heaven. I will blend the inner corner and right here up to the middle of the eyes. Add some honey butter to the middle. And with Morphe 507, I will add some chocolate cookie to the outer corners. So now I will go to Love You So Mochi by NYX in Brights. And with my finger, I will add a pop of glittery yellow in the middle of my eyes. With a clean MAC 224 brush, I would blend it a bit. And I will add a teeny tiny drop into the inner corner of my eyes. So let's take it off. So let's wipe it off and go to our base. As usual, I'm priming my skin with my Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate Oil. And today I've decided to play with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in a stick. I love this stick form of products, like foundation, contouring, whatever it is. I found it so convenient, and not only on the go, but in everyday use. Why not to apply it with my Kabuki brush by Elf? Let me get some extra and let me press it in with my beauty sponge because I believe it gives a better airbrush feeling. My favorite Sony Kashuk beauty sponge in marble. I'm getting concealer, the same brand, Fit Me by Maybelline. I'm reaching for my MAC brush and a setting powder. Let's bake that under eye. Today, I want to contour with my NYX Sculpted palette. However, before that, I will put my MAC Select Press Sheer Powder all over my face, except the bake areas, of course. Sony Kashuk Large Powder Brush, a swirl. Let's do that. With my MAC Small brush, I will get into this palette and start contouring with my forehead. Today for blushes, I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Blush in color Vintage Rouge and my IT Cosmetics Airbrush number 227. So it was so funny to find out that the contouring takes its place from 17th century. So how people did it those days, completely different from our techniques, but what they did to change the shape of their face, they've been craving the spheres out of the cork wood and putting them behind their cheeks, like inside of their mouth, and that's how they contour. It is Miniralize Skin Finish. I love how beautiful it is, and on skin it sits like a dream. It is pretty subtle, so we're not expecting beaming highlight. It gives such a radiance to our skin. I can't tell enough how much in love I'm with this product. So it's everything for me. So let's finish our under eyes and pop on some mascara. I will go for my MAC 228 tiny brush for the shade Sexpresso to the outer corner. Chocolate Cookie for the middle. And the vibrant yellow to the inner corner. Let me refresh a pop of highlight in the inner corners. I forgot about my brows. How could I? Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz must. Okay, for mascara, I'm using my Hot and Naughty by MAC. I will finalize my look with MAC Dynasty Dusk Lip Gloss. MAC Setting Spray Fix Plus. Oh no! I can't believe the video is over! So, I hope you enjoyed this one. And I hope that tomorrow you will come to check out some more great videos. For now, subscribe to my channel. Put thumbs up to this one. Have a good day. I love you all. And mwah.